If you're thinking about growing your community, look no further than Discord. Discord is absolutely amazing. In order to get that set up to have the most perfect, loving community ever, make sure you hit up my homie Discord for Creators, aka Keely, because she'll help you get it done. Keely was amazing. I had my Discord running for about a year. There was me, my brother, and about 8 of my friends, and it looked like a hot mess. But Keely came in and goes, you know what? Can I redecorate your community for you? And I was like, absolutely. And now it is the business. I brag about my community. I brag about my server. Yes, my community people are fantastic, but fantastic people living in the tent, not as good a look as fantastic people living in the palatial mansion. My Discord community looks like a palatial mansion, thanks to Discord for Creators. Make sure you hit up Keely and let her get it done. Listen to me. I'm Doc Rock, content creation coach. I prescribe that.